Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique, in case you are new here. Before we get into it, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, all of that. Leave a comment down below if there is something you'd like to see next. But today we're going to tap into the power of visualizing your goals by creating a beautiful digital vision board using Canva. Yes, whether you're dreaming about traveling the world, leveling up your career, or focusing on wellness in 2025, this tutorial will help you design a vision board that keeps you inspired every day. So, no fancy design skills needed, just your goals, creativity, and a few clicks. Let's jump in and start building the future you've been dreaming of. By having this on your phone, you'll always be able to see it and keep your goals in mind as you move throughout your day. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a vibrant digital vision board you can save as your phone's background or desktop wallpaper. You can even print it and hang it up if that's your thing, but I'm going to show you an easy way to create one without going through the hassle of doing it from scratch. So we're going to go back to the home screen and type in vision board. So down here, you'll see all the different collages that Canva already has. So you can start plugging in some of your themes and ideas for the next year. So we're gonna scroll through and find one that I like. I like this. So I'm gonna go to customize this template. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is name my project Monique's 2025 Vision Board. And so again, we're gonna keep everything in Canva. I know there are a few tutorials out there that teach you how to go on Pinterest and Google. And so if you're like me and not wanting to hop around all these different sites and apps, you can scroll down here and go to Photos. The good thing about Canva is they have a lot of nice stock photos that you can use, especially if there is kind of like this, a generic theme where you're trying to manifest something that you want. So you can use different photos and ideas, color schemes to kind of trigger that when it comes to thinking about what you want in your future. So we're gonna go to photos. So my theme is going to be travel. I want to travel a lot in 2025. So I'm gonna type in travel. And so the good thing about Canva is you can even search it by color. So I'm gonna pick this and then I'm gonna just do free. Let's see what comes up for free. Nothing. All right, so I wanna do that. Some palm trees. Then I'm gonna just crop it and slide it this way. And then I'm gonna add that same photo maybe right here and do the same thing. Double click it so I can actually adjust the image to the size of the frame. Then I hit done. Yes, passports. There we go. Let's do beach. That's cute. A little umbrella. Double click it so I can adjust. It's not letting me adjust that one. Let me do this. Yep, and I'm just really picking and choosing images that I feel would like fit the theme. And then I'm just adjusting it to where I would want the picture to actually be. This is cute. Put this right here. There we go. And then I'm just really just filling in the images where I see fit. So I'm gonna just keep scrolling and finding images that I feel will fit the theme. So I'm gonna just keep scrolling and then I'm gonna come back once I am done. All right, y'all, so here is the final product. This will be your personalized vision board for 2025. So now you just go ahead, download it up here in the right-hand corner and put it on your phone. So if you like this and if this was helpful, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next video.